Folks, Bobby Two Pots Breaks. It is Tuesday, the 2nd of August, and we are breaking Bombbox Full Size Helmet. We just started our series on the third box of our brand new series. Randomed up those 48 numbers. We got number 5. We did random team sales on your left. Team's customer has been randomized and alphabetized. We gave everybody a chance to trade. Had a bunch of offers, but nothing was accepted. So here we go. Chicago going to get our freebie. Bam! Going to be Arizona Cardinals with the gorgeous Kurt Warner. He's one of the old guys, does a great sig, folks. It is a Flash Authentic, his Radkey certification on that, folks. Beautiful Cardinals Flash, man. These red flashes are gorgeous. And Chicago was our freebie. So who is Arizona? Wow, well, Lone Star continuing his luck this series, guys. He's done fairly well over the last couple there. Taking the Kurt Warner Flash there. Let's see if we can get some of the others hits here in this series. Just bag that thing up. I'll check who has Chicago in a second. Lone Star. Chicago. Wow, double hit, man. We didn't have that happen much. And then the last series, we had a bunch of it happen a bunch of times. Now Lone Star taking it again. So he's going to get the Chicago spot free for next break. And he gets the Kurt Warner. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, about 2 Pots Breaks.